Hi, my name is Antonia. 2 years ago, I moved back to my hometown of Jacksonville, Florida, and bought a duplex that was built in 1912. Now I'm turning sweat equity into a legacy. Subscribe to my channel and I'll teach you how to do it too. Welcome to one of the 2 bathrooms in the rental unit. You can't get in or out of the shower without literally tripping over the toilet, and it took me a while to figure out how I could make this bathroom functional. The fastest and most cost-effective way to fix this layout is going to be to move the shower, so this wall has to come down. Honestly, I was surprised at how easily this came down. The house must have known that it was ugly because she was ready to let it go. This house is over 100 years old, so I didn't know if it was a ghost or what was trying to snatch me up by my scarf, but I was ready to start fighting for my life. This is why it's so important to make sure that you turn off the electricity before you start working on demo. Okay, cool. That was pretty easy. The wall is gone. Now I just gotta figure out how to move the shower head over to this side. Since I bought the duplex, this is how I spend most of my weekends, in Home Depot. The only thing I spend more than time in Home Depot is money. I wasn't sure exactly what I would need for this project, and Home Depot always has a million options, so when in doubt, I just grab one of everything and hope for the best. The plumbing has been moved, and I can use these 2 sheets of drywall that we took out earlier to seal the walls back up. Drywall isn't waterproof, so during my next trip to Home Depot, I'm gonna have to grab some cement board to put back here in the shower, but I was about to go out of town for a few days and I didn't want to leave everything just open, so this will work for now. I used a jigsaw to cut a piece of plywood because the subfloor underneath the shower has some water damage and was rotted out. I needed a little bit more drywall to finish this small section at the back, and luckily Ace Hardware sells half sheets that are small enough to fit in my truck. The texture on these walls was uneven and horrible, so you already know what I'm about to do: skim coat it. At this point, y'all are probably tired of watching the process, and to be honest with you, I'm tired of doing it. I really don't even want to talk about it. But if you're new here and you want to know how you can remove the texture from your walls and popcorn ceilings, I'll go ahead and link the tutorial I made for you. Here are the sheets of drywall that I got from Ace Hardware. They're only like 2 feet by 4 feet, and they were perfect for this little section. I got everything sealed up. Now I can go to Atlanta and have a ball. I need y'all to help me figure out what I should do with this shower though. After we paint and install new floors, I'm gonna bring in a black vanity and mirror. For the shower, we have 2 options. We could do a subway tile, which has a really clean and simple look, But it's kind of boring because we've seen subway tile done a million times. Option 2 is to go for a concrete look. I think it'd be really cool and kind of add some visual interest to the all white space. But I've never done it before, so we be trying something totally new. Here's a quick side by side to help you choose. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, and if you have a totally different suggestion, I'm down to hear that too. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.